machines. Now it's apparent to me, just from the images on my TV, all the signs keep pointing to the end. And I think this could be, could be Mother Nature's revenge. Ooh, our humanity exceeded by our technology, she can no longer be our friend. And I think this could be Mother Nature's revenge. For she's warmer, then she's colder. Mother Nature must be bipolar. Well, there were too many highways, nowhere to go. Majestic views with nothing to show. Too many houses all in a row. We're talking too much gray and not enough green. Too few spaces in between. Too many men in love with machines.